In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if your TikTok account is a business account. This is an essential piece of knowledge for anyone leveraging TikTok for more than just casual use, especially if you're into marketing, branding, or any form of content creation aiming for monetization or audience building. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to TikTok's main login page. Here you'll be greeted with various options to log in to your TikTok account, including the option to continue with Google, which is our recommended method for a streamlined process. After clicking on continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use for this process. Make sure you select the Google account that is linked to your TikTok account to avoid any login issues. This step ensures that your login process is both secure and specific to your TikTok account's credentials tied with Google. Following your Google account selection, you'll be directed to a page where you'll need to click on Continue. This action will finalize your login process and authenticate your credentials, effectively granting you access to your TikTok account through Google's secure login system. Once you're logged in, direct your attention towards the TikTok homepage. It's time to navigate to your profile. You might wonder why. Well, accessing your profile is the key to uncovering the nature of your account. Gently hover your mouse over your profile icon located usually at the top right corner of the home page. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this drop-down menu, look for the Settings option and click on it. This will lead you to the Settings and Privacy area of your TikTok account, where you can adjust a multitude of preferences related to your account's operation and how you interact with the platform. Now here's the part where we find out the nature of your account. Once in settings, take a moment to scroll down through the various options available until you spot something related to a business account, typically labeled as such or similar. When you find the section concerning account management or specifically business accounts, check to see if the business account option is toggled on. If this toggle is active or on, congratulations, you're officially operating a business account on TikTok. This designation is crucial as it unlocks various features and analytics tools designed to help brands and creators understand their audience better, track engagement metrics, and optimize their content strategy for maximum impact. If, however, you discover that your account is not set to business and you were expecting it to be, don't worry. TikTok makes it quite straightforward to switch account types through the same settings menu, allowing you to harness the power of TikTok's business tools with just a few clicks. But why is this important? Knowing the status of your TikTok account, whether it's personal, creator or business, influences how you interact with the platform and your followers. Business accounts have access to detailed insights and the ability to run ads, which are invaluable tools for anyone looking to make a splash on TikTok commercially. Always remember the choice between a personal, creator or business account should align with your goals on TikTok. Each account type offers unique benefits tailored to different kinds of users, from casual enthusiasts to influential content creators and brands aiming to extend their reach. In conclusion, keeping track of your account type on TikTok is crucial for aligning your social media strategy to your overall goals. Whether you're looking to educate, entertain, or sell, understanding your account's designation helps tailor your efforts more precisely. Now that you know how to check if your TikTok is a business account, you're one step closer to mastering this dynamic platform. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to keep you ahead in the ever-evolving world of social media.